Okay, we want to be doing icing, and we're going to be using our fondant. And I need to take my measurements. So let's see how we take our measurements. Make sure you have a tape rule or you have a ruler. So I'm using tape rule today. So I'm going to be measuring the middle of it so that you will know what you will roll out. This is 25. But make sure that your crumb coating is still a little sticky so that it can go. So I'm going to measure round my cake. And leave some space. So I'm having 79. So let me get rolling. So I'll be needing this. It's ready. I'm ready. It's already measured out. So we're going to be putting it. Before you roll, make sure you have this to stick it, and make sure what you have down is still sticky. I cut a little below my this place is a little open. I'm just going to stick it on with just your brush in and water. Now we're going to be doing the top. So now I'm going to be putting the top layer, and I'm just going to go. I cut above it, so I'm just going to smooth it a little. So I'm going to flip it over, and I'm just going to flip it. One. So now I'm going to brush up. Remember, I didn't stick this, so to give me a perfect shape, so I'm just going to brush this up to it and make sure they are lined. Top. Now I'm going to cut. I'm just going to trim carefully so that I'll be able to have gently, carefully, to have a perfect shape. Carefully. Okay. So for my board, I'm going to clean the edges first. If I'm using the same board, or if you're using another board, you can use another clean board. You can use another clean board. But I'm going to clean the edges of this. Make sure it's perfectly cleaned. Just with a wet towel and dry it off. So I'm using my kitchen towel to dry it off, or you can as well use another one. So I don't want it moving around, so I need it stick. So I'm going to put some royal icing on it so that this will stick my cake, and I will not have a cake that is moving around. So I'm placing it on top. Make sure it's in the perfect okay, so I'm flipping it over again, and now move it to where I want it to be. So I'm just moving, make sure everything is round and circle. So I'm going to remove the upper flip. So this is how you get your perfect round top. So I'm just going to smoothen it a bit and allow it to dry before my decor. Closing up all the down. Okay. What happened here? Well, so this is how you get your perfect round top. Thank you for staying with me till now. Please do give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. God bless you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Then I go back to my decor.